What is the importance of X-ray inspection in PCBA? X-ray inspection is an excellent way to test PCB quality and find hidden defects without risking damage to the board. X-ray imaging works using X-ray photons, which are passed through a material and collected on the other side. The X-ray photons pass through materials differently based on their physical properties. In X-ray images of PCBs, the metal is dark, which makes it easy to see metallic components. Combined with magnification capabilities, X-ray will make us to identify potential problems. PCBA can make high-density connections without complicating the PCB layouts. And the difficulty is that the solder joints or FPGA chip is particularly difficult to inspect. X-ray simplifies the inspection process and easily identifies breaches.